Come over this way. Okay. Now, can you go back and find the baby? Go back to the fence. Go find Rimmer. Huh? Where's John Parker at? Huh? Is he back there too? Is that upsetting you? Huh? Huh? Is that upsetting you? Hmm? Don't mark any of your children today. Okay? Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Go over there and find John Parker again. Go get him. Go find him. Is he in there? And he won't let you in? They can't come out where the babies are.